Imagine a place in the universe where the temperature is close to absolute zero. There is almost no movement of atoms, no heat, and the environment itself seems frozen in eternal cold. One such place is the Boomerang Nebula, located about 5,000 light years away in the constellation Centauri. Its temperature reaches minus 272 degrees Celsius, which is only 1 degree above absolute zero. This is even colder than the average temperature of outer space. The reason for this extreme coldness lies in the peculiarities of the processes that occur with a dying star. It throws its outer shells into the surrounding space, forming a nebula. The released gas expands at a tremendous speed, which causes it to cool dramatically. This phenomenon is similar to the cooling effect of spraying gas from a can. Scientists believe that the speed of this expansion is the main factor that makes the Boomerang Nebula the coldest natural object in the universe. Space itself is a pretty cold place. If you find yourself in interstellar space where there are no direct sources of heat, the temperature can drop to minus 270 degrees Celsius. Absolute zero, minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, is the theoretical limit at which any particle motion stops. But even in the midst of such cold, there are objects that go beyond conventional wisdom. The Boomerang Nebula has an unusual shape that resembles an hourglass or a cloak blown by the wind. It emits faint light due to the scattering of radiation from the central star, but in general it looks very dim. Because of this, its detection has been a challenge for astronomers. Scientists were able to measure its temperature using radio telescopes, which recorded that the gas in it is even colder than the relic radiation, a remnant of the Big Bang, which has a temperature of about minus 270 degrees Celsius. Such studies help scientists better understand the processes that occur during the evolution of stars and what factors can contribute to such extreme cooling. In addition, the study of such objects provides new knowledge about the physical conditions in deep space and what other similar nebulae in different parts of the galaxy might look like. On Earth, scientists have long been trying to achieve temperatures as close to absolute zero as possible. In laboratory conditions, they managed to create an environment that was only a few billionths of a degree above this limit. This opens up new opportunities for research, for example, in quantum mechanics and superconducting physics. Under natural conditions, however, the lowest recorded temperature still belongs to the Boomerang Nebula. Could there be even colder places in the universe? Theoretically, it is possible. For example, if an area is found where gas expands even faster, or other unique conditions exist, the temperature could drop even closer to absolute zero. However, for now, the Boomerang Nebula holds the status of the coldest known place in the universe. The study of such extreme objects brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of space. They help astronomers explain the physical processes occurring at gigantic distances from the Earth, and understand how matter forms and changes under different conditions. Perhaps in the future we will find even more incredible places that will challenge our understanding of nature and the universe. However, the Boomerang Nebula is not the only mystery in cold space. Scientists continue to search for new abnormally cold objects using modern technology and telescopes. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, has already provided detailed images of distant objects that may be even colder. Thanks to its infrared sensors, we can look into the darkest and coldest corners of the universe. Interestingly, temperature extremes play a key role in the formation of planets and star systems. Under conditions of ultra-low temperatures, ice clouds form in space, which can contain complex organic molecules. This gives rise to the question, can such environments promote the emergence of life in unusual forms? After all, even on Earth, there are organisms that can survive in ultra-low temperatures, so it's not that hard to imagine life in such extreme conditions. The study of space temperatures also helps us better understand the structure of the universe. For example, by analyzing cold regions, astronomers can draw conclusions about the influence of dark matter and other fundamental processes that shape our universe. In the future, new discoveries may lead us to an even deeper understanding of how the cosmos works and what other secrets it hides.